It's a wet day, low light, video mode. We have the EV value set up on a negative 0.7. This is a sample of pure video mode. I'm holding my camera like this. My camera like that. You get a chance to see some lights lit up in low light. Let's watch the boat go out in a low evening. We're down by the shore. I get some beach shots. Up ahead is the fishing boat that went out. You can barely hear his engines at the moment. As we zoom in, we'll do our best to try to focus on him. It is quite difficult looking through the lens, and that is 12 times lossless zoom of an Insta360 Luna Ultra. He is heading out further and further away. That's the aft of the boat. We're going to zoom in and not use the toggle as a zoom by holding it. We're going to do it by double pressing, going up. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. We're going to lower down. 1, 2. 1, 2. And that gives you the zoom that goes a little faster and smoother. Let's back out the same way, double pressing down. This test here is about the microphone and the camera. We don't know what the mic is on when the LED goes off. That is the new firmware. But as we're recording a video, what happens if the microphone depletes? And what do we get audio from the camera? Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will it reconnect back to the microphone when turning and able to talk to capture the moment. The only way I'm going to find out is watching the video. Using the microphone of the controller. When you separate the controller from the camera and you want to play back video, the audio is disconnected. You're able to see the video. You won't get audio. I'm on face tracking and I could walk pretty far from the camera. I don't need to be any further than this for me to prove my point. I could go down to the very end and then come back. Will it still track me and pick me up? Probably will. With objects and obstructions like my bicycle in the way. Not facing, not looking at the eyes, but it's looking at the face and the hand is blocking. My screen has timed out. My camera looked like it on an angle because I'm on the park bench. One of the questions, what if the controller depletes? Then what do you do with the camera? You have to recharge the controller separately. There is no USB-C or any other cable. Is there an optional accessory dock to charge the camera controller separately? From here on, I'm on Cinema ND filter baked in. The intensity could be high, medium, or low. I am 20 millimeters. Triple pressing on the joystick will take it off a selfie and bring it to the front. 1, 2, 3. Holding the camera at 90 degrees. If I start to angle the camera forward and do a triple press, 1, 2, 3, you kind of get the head going up and down or trying to adjust. That test will have to be compared to another camera. On the screen, you have the ability to selfie and go forward. And with the camera in the off position, you have the ability to hold the button down and open up the screen at the same time to go to selfie. And also in the camera setting. So you have more than 2 ways to go about it. Looking at the screen and the sky is natural, the screen just about matches. Back at the editor, exported and watching that video to loading to YouTube will be different. I only own this camera for 36 hours. I'm getting used to the camera, but I have a lot to learn and set up. As I go through each of the settings, it'll take me time. When you get your camera and you remove your screen, this camera is going to remind you, dirty metal detected. And that means you have to take your screen off, clean it in order to see the actual screen again. Oh man, could that be a deal breaker for people out there that no one has told about? The dirty metal detection. I'm not sure how you're going to clean it on the go, because it showed up again right after I cleaned it. Well, I am Fish, and I had good fun shooting some videos today and showing off the camera. The Insta360 Mic Pro, the Insta360 Luna Ultra. I hope you enjoyed the shots I shared. Out of your curiosity, that is not trash, people. That is a person, homeless, that crashed on the floor and found a spot to sleep.